watch daily videos, and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
Hey, hi guys, this is Aishwarya once again and welcome to the channel. So today we are going to talk about study in US, top 5 secrets of education in the US. So all the people who are planning to go abroad and study in the United States of America, this video is for you, and who are actually planning to go into your dream universities in the States. So I am right now, as I talk to you, as I release this video, in Boston. Okay, so I'm giving you a real-time experience of what are the 5 secrets that you experience, the good part about the education in US. So stay glued till the end. Before I begin with the video, I just want to tell you all that there is a link in the description given below. So if you want one-on-one consultation with me, you can either submit your details there. You would get a call and email, and you can set up a 30-minute call with me virtually, in which I will be able to help you out with your how to improve your GRE scores, how to plan your strategy, or how to actually go about shortlisting a university and doing applications. Okay, US, UK, Canada, all the applications wherever you want to go. So I'll be able to help you out. And for people who are looking to start your preparation, there is another link given below, which you can definitely check it out. And that link talks about you can use the coupon code GREKing50. Every Monday and every Friday there are live lectures. Along with that, there are a lot of recorded video lectures, so once you go to the page, you can actually read the content. And there are some ebooks also for you which are available. Okay, so you can go to the description and you can actually get access to all of those ebooks. You just have to go to the link. Okay, all you have to do is go to the link and you have to, I think you would be able to download top 50 must solve sentence equivalence questions, top 50 must solve text completion questions, and top 50 reading comprehension questions, along with some quant material as well. Okay, so all you have to do is you just have to check that link out, and that's how I'll be able to help you out. Okay, so let's move ahead and start with the top 5 secrets of education in the United States. Okay, so the first secret is you get a lot of personal freedom and individuality. Okay, so when you're talking about education in the United States, when you choose a program, so you have a lot of flexibility and personal freedom in choosing what course you actually want to take up in what semester. And at the same time, you can do trial and error with a lot of courses, that if you're interested in a particular course which you actually wanted to take up, you can consult with your program director, you can reach out to your professors and actually add on that particular course to your kitty in replacement of something else. So there are something called as foundation and core courses. So your core courses have to be they cannot be changed, but out of your electives you have a flexibility to choose the number of courses you want to take in a particular semester. In fact, the time period that you want to complete a course, okay, complete your program, not a course. So that also depends, which is unlike in India, where you have a specified time in which you have to complete a course, and these are the only subjects that you have to take. But education in the United States works slightly different. It gives you your personal freedom and individuality, the way you want to actually take up a course. Only thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to complete the number of credits that are assigned to you. Okay, so that is something that you have to keep in mind. The second most important secret about the education in the United States is focusing on research work. Okay, so when I talk about focusing on research work, so all your subjects, all your courses will focus a lot on research work. So you actually have to relate to the examples and case studies, do some research work, go to get access to sites like Statista, wherein you get those industry reports, analyze those industry reports, and do a thorough research on whatever subject that you're doing. So that is something very unique and interesting, because if you are doing that much amount of research work, your knowledge enhances rather than just attending lectures or reading a book. There is the third and the most important thing that I want to talk about is that there are a lot of practical assignments and practical application based study that promotes you to actually get out of your classroom environment that's there, do some research work, get connected with people for projects, get connected for group discussions, group based projects, and actually apply what you are learning. Okay, so that is something very interesting, and it definitely gives a boost to your knowledge as well. Okay, coming to the next point, which is the fourth point, the fourth top secret for the education in the United States is they give you motivation for self learning. Okay, so what do I mean by motivation for self learning? Because if you are doing a lot of research work, if you are getting involved in a lot of these outside projects, or you have a lot of practical assignments to do, so you are learning by yourself. Classroom study for 2 hours is okay, whatever the professor teaches, but but it is also curated with a lot of assignments that actually give you that industry exposure. Okay, and you somehow bridge the gap between the education as well as what industry actually asks for. Okay, so this is an environment that promotes your motivation for actually learning more and doing a lot of self study. Okay, so that's something very unique and very interesting about the education in the United States. Coming to the last and the fifth secret about the education in the United States is promoting class participation and group discussions. Okay, so that is something for people who are planning to come, you are going to find. So they have these grading system in which they assign a particular percentage to your class participation and group discussion. What do I mean by class participation is, for example, out of 100, 20% is assigned to class participation. That means you have to ensure that you keep your points in the discussion which is going on in the class. Okay, so beforehand only you will be given a lot of materials to actually study from, and when you study from all of those materials, the idea is that once you have already studied those things, so you keep your opinions and keep your points, and you speak a lot and put up your discussion points, ask professors a lot of queries, doubts, question him also sometimes if you feel that there is some mismatch, and that's perfectly fine. They take it in a very good way. Okay, so promoting class participation and getting a person involved in group discussions and making him speak more, that is something very unique as compared to the education in India. So these were the top 5 secrets of education in US. It is completely an exhilarating experience, and you actually understand a lot of things and you're motivated to study more. So that was all from my end. That was my first hand experience that I wanted to give you. People who are planning to prepare study abroad applications, any help you need, you can just drop an email on grekingforstudents@gmail.com, and I'll be able to help you out. This is Aishwarya signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.